What websites make money online? So this information you need to know because it's vital for you to start making money online. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Alright, let me hop here into my computer and show you something. So here we are on my channel. And the reason I'm here on my channel is I want to show you the last two videos that I did. 5 websites to make $100 per day in 2019, and also websites to make money online without investment. Let me go ahead and click here. And let me just go here because I have the list of the websites that I've listed in this specific video. And the reason I want to go ahead and talk to you about this is because when we're talking about what websites make money online, it's not just what websites make, because these websites, for example, Airbnb, Craigslist, eBay, AliExpress, Shutterstock, Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, Rover, YouTube and Instagram, and more are free to make money online, but they have a problem. And the problem is when you go about it and you try this, if you are a beginner online and if you never made any money online and you go and you try these, what's gonna happen? You're gonna struggle a lot to make money. The reason is because, I'm sorry guys, because I have something here in my tongue and it's hurting so much. That's why I can't talk very well, but I'll do my best. But the thing with these websites is that they're good, but if you, like I said, if you are a beginner, a complete beginner, it's going to be hard for you to pull it off. The reason is because you never done something online. It's like it takes a lot of effort, and you're just trying things out, and you're gonna fail a lot, and you may just give up very quick and end up doing nothing, right? And also, if you don't have guidance, if you don't have somebody that tells you, hey, you should do this and that, it's gonna be a lot harder. Let me go here back to my YouTube channel. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I make videos every Tuesday and Friday, and I give a lot of value. So here on my YouTube channel, I teach people how to make money online, and I really teach the techniques. Now, when we're talking about what websites to make money online, like I said, those ones are a great way, but like you're going alone. Now, the best websites to make money online, to be very honest with you right here in front of you, because I've done it, is the ones that you invest money in upfront. The reason is because when you put money in, you put more effort. Not only that, when you're investing in such a program like the program that I promote, what I do is people have to pay for the tool, but I help them out. So I guide them on the right direction. And this is very important, because if you don't have guidance, if you don't have somebody telling you what to do, you're gonna be like a boat lost in the sea. And so I find the websites that make money online is the ones that you invest. It has an upfront investment in the front end. The reason is because those websites normally give you guidance. They give you strategies and tools, and also the know-how for you to go ahead and make it happen. And those are the websites that do make money online. I know that you may be thinking, oh, but I have no money to start online. Then how will I do it? I could, like I told you here, I have these two videos that I did. You can go and watch them. They're here on my YouTube channel, and these are ways to make money online for free, websites that you don't need investment. Although I have to tell you up front that it's going to be very hard for you. It's going to take you forever. It's going to take you a long time. Although you can make it work, but it's going to take you a long time. Now, the reason I say that paid websites are the best way to go about it is because they give you all. Now, let me tell you this, it's very important, because it's better for you to save a little bit of money. Well, let's say you're going to jump on a website that you need investment for $100. It's better that you save that money and then you invest in it and you go all in, and it's way better because you're getting the training and the know-how on what to do. Because the thing is, these people that are providing you this solution, if they are charging you, is because they have a method and a way that you can duplicate and make money online. Now, I'm not saying that all the opportunities out there that it's paid that are good and that you're going to make money. What I'm saying is that when you invest in a program that teaches you what to do, that tells you what to do, it's way different than going about it alone with the free method and you don't know what to do. You just, you Google or you go on YouTube and you search, and it can be hard because you try all these methods and it doesn't work. Now, for example, if you were to join my what I do, which is I promote Boulderwall. If you were to join my way of making money, by the way, if you want to check it out, it's www.megafunnel.net. I will leave a link below too as well. See, when you go to that website, let me just go ahead and go real quick here and show you. So this opportunity right here, it costs $79.90 for the tool, which is Boulderwall. And when you join this tool, because you need this tool to promote online, I'm gonna give you myself. You see, I'm gonna give you personal one-on-one coaching for 1 hour on how I sold 37 Boulderwall accounts in 1 month and how I made over $20,000 promoting just this product without paid ads. Also, I'll give you the bonus number 2, which is personal support for life. You see, I'm giving, and because I've been doing this for quite some time now, I have the knowledge, I know how, I know what to do so you can make money online. It's going to be a lot easier for you to make money online this way. Because I'm giving you, and this is just bonus 2, but you can see here, I'm giving you the funnels, the converting and the tools, so you have everything that you need in your hands to start making money. The sales funnels that you need, all the training to how to get traffic, free traffic methods, paid traffic methods, all these important stuff that you need. Also, this specific funnel that I have here, I would give it to you. Just everything that you need to be successful online, right? So that's the websites you make money online. Now, I'm not saying that my way is the only way to do it. There's a lot of ways out there that you can make money online, but I want to be 100% honest with you right now and tell you that if you choose a way that you're going to invest, but they're going to help you out, they're going to give you trainings and mentorship along the way so that you can achieve it, let me tell you that these programs are the ones that you're gonna make money the fastest one to make money, and the ones that you're gonna really make a shift in your life, that can really shift your life and go from not making money to all of a sudden making money, because you've got the guidance of somebody that's doing it, and you just have to duplicate what they're doing. You see, it's much easier, as if you would go with these solutions that I have here, which is websites to make money without investment. You could still pull it off, but it will take a lot longer. You're gonna waste a lot of time and money, because time is money. And I'm not saying they don't work; they do work. But what I'm saying is, when you invest, even if it's a little bit of money in the start, to do to join an opportunity, what you're doing is you make the commitment with yourself that you're gonna go ahead and make it happen, and that alone, it's a big shift in your mind. You're investing in yourself, and the best investment you can make is in yourself. So, what websites make money online? So, these do make money online, but if you go here to my YouTube channel, like I have this video right here, top 10 ways to top 10 ways online money. Now, this opportunity that I have here on this video, for example, it's an opportunity that you get everything you need to be successful, because you not only get the blueprints on the top 10 ways to make money online, you also get my ongoing support, my knowledge, and my guidance, and my strategies, so that you go ahead and put those strategies to work and make money out off of it. Now, these websites right here that you can watch them, they're great. I mean, great websites, but the website, what I promote, which is Boulderwall and their affiliate system, it's a business because it creates passive income. Once you get somebody under you, every month you get a commission off of it. Not only that, you get 3 levels of commissions. So it's just a different approach to go about it. It's like you're really building a business, like with other websites, free methods. It's more like you're trying something, and it's gonna take you forever. So that's my take on what websites make money online. It's not the free ones, because it doesn't mean that they don't work. It just means that you did not make the commitment, the investment, and also you don't have the guidance and the know-how on how to pull it off. And that alone is it tells everything. And so here on my YouTube channel, I have loads of videos if you want to subscribe. I have loads of ways and tactics you can go about it to make money online, right? And even have here, man, you can check it out. All these videos are very valuable, and they can really help you. Like if you watch this video motivational, I recommend you go and watch it, because it's all about a decision you make, right? If you want to make money online, it's about a decision. You have to decide that you're going to do it, but you have to be also smart about it. Because, to be honest with you, I've tried in the beginning with free sites to make money online. It took me forever, and I made just a little bit of money with it. When I invested and I had a mentor, somebody that was guiding me along the way, everything shifted for me and everything changed. And I'm telling you, this is my experience, so that you don't fall into this trap that you'll make money with free websites. You can do it, but it's going to be very hard for you. It's going to take you forever, and later on you're gonna go and you're gonna go like, hey, Fábio was telling me that when you invest in yourself, when you pay up front, and then you get guidance, everything becomes easier, and you get the know-how and the tools and the funnels and just everything that you need. It all becomes easier. And so I hope that is making sense. If it is making sense, just comment below anything you want below this video. Any comment you would have, I'd love you. Just comment anything. It will really help me with my engagement here on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you unlike it, give it a thumbs down. If you enjoyed this content, go ahead and subscribe. If you know somebody that will benefit from this content, please share with them. Below this video, I'm going to leave a link for the opportunity that I provide to people, the one that I've helped a lot of people make money online through this opportunity, and I can help you as well if you're willing to put in the work and make it happen. I'll leave the link below this video. Thanks for watching. It was nice having you here. Have a great day. Believe in yourself. You are awesome. I will see you on the next video. Cheers.